Want to do some work on your Jeep WK yourself? Well, today on this episode, we're talking about the top 5 DIY service items you can do for your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. What's up, Mopar fam? It's Sunday Fun Day. It's your boy at Fred Eazy. What's going on? The goal for this episode is to highlight my top 5 easy service maintenance items you can do yourself on your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. This list also applies to the WK1 Jeep models from 2005 to 2010, as they generally share similar parts and setups. Even with all the different engines, the processes would be fairly similar. The links to the individual tasks are provided in the description for all you to check out after the video. Alright guys, so for number 1 on the list is a no-brainer. It's changing the transfer case fluid because it is way too easy and an item that should be replaced regularly. With the Jeep already sitting high off the ground, simply head under there with a 10mm hex key socket, ratchet, and oil pan. Remove the filler and drain plug, drain the transfer case fluid, install the drain plug, and fill it back up with the new transfer case fluid until it drips out of the fill hole. Now install the fill plug and you are done. Nice and easy. Alright, so number 2 on the list goes to changing the front and rear differential fluid. I changed mine at the same time as the transfer case at the recommended interval of 30,000 miles for my Jeep WK. I mean, while you're under the Jeep, you might as well service the whole driveline, right? This one is a solid maintenance item which only requires you to remove the differential cover, drain the differential, reinstall the diff cover, and fill her back up until she drips out of the fill hole. The front differential is a similar process to the transfer case with drain and fill plugs. It is a simple task that keeps your differentials healthy and in some cases keeps your gas mileage in check. As in most cases, extremely dirty differential fluid reduces lubrication of the gears and in turn increases friction. It is too easy not to do yourself, so keep that baby clean. Alright guys, number 3 goes to doing oil changes on our Jeeps. Another simple task to do on a nice sunny day with a beer. Really take your time, put the Jeep up on ramps, drain the baby, change the filter, and fill her back up. Now for the Jeep diesels, make sure you fill half the oil in the oil filter housing and the other half the oil in the fill hole. This makes sure the bearings get oiled on both sides on the first startup. Alright guys, number 4 on the list goes to the air filter. I usually replace mine every 3rd oil change and do it at the same time and change my oil since I'm already in the engine bay with all the covers off and the tools available. This one is a solid maintenance item which only requires a flathead screwdriver. Just pop the hood, remove the air intake tube, open the airbox lid, and swap out the filters. A dirty air filter won't trigger the check engine light, and really one of the only indicators of a dirty air filter is a gradual reduction of performance and fuel mileage. Alright guys, finally at number 5, we have replacing the fuel filter. Now this is for the Jeep CRD diesel vehicles, as the WK gas engines have them in the gas tank with the fuel pump. I replaced mine at the same time as the air filter and oil change, as I would have the engine part anyways and have the tools available already. This procedure just takes only a few tools and the fuel filter is located near the turbo. The important thing to do is to prime the new fuel filter with diesel before installing. Alright everyone, that is my top 5 easy DIY service items you can do yourself for your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. As mentioned before, the links of each of these tasks are in the description below. Check them out and have at it. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I would really appreciate it. Take care and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.